Okay friends, to get started on our dash vent, one of the things I want to talk to you about is the back side of the new one. If you were to look at it, you're going to find that you have all these little clips on it. And of course, those are going to correspond with the same areas on the original vent. So now if you look at our vent, you can tell that this one's pretty busted up. So it's definitely time to go ahead and replace it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right along this area right here. You can tell where there's definitely some marked out areas where those clips are going to be. Just going to take my little plastic trim tool, come right in along where the clip should be and just try to push on it. All right, that one came up. Do the same for this one. Okay, here's half of it. Come under here. And attempt to do the same thing. Of course, they come apart in pieces. This is all very old, dried up plastic. Okay friends, now it's time to install our new vent assembly here. Let's go ahead and line it up with where it needs to go. Once you have it so it's in the proper area, go ahead and carefully press it down. Start on one side. Okay, perfect.